would you say in your experience are the important landmark years in a woman's life? जहाँ पे कोई ना कोई स्किन प्रॉब्लम erupt हो सकती है या
Hmm.
हेयर प्रॉब्लम हो सकते हैं, it's puberty for sure,
Puberty for
then
sure,
perhaps
that's where it
pregnancy.
starts. 100%. Pregnancy में बहुत changes आते हैं and I think this is something people don't talk about because
Yeah.
I've had people come in मतलब वो बेचारे इतने परेशान लड़कियां आती हैं कि वो प्रेगनेंसी में उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा होता कि बालों के साथ क्या हो रहा है स्किन बिकॉज देयर टू थिंग्स दैट कैन हैपन
अच्छे
इन
नहीं हो जाते
प्रेगनेंसी वो
बाल
आई वाज जस्ट गोना कम टू दैट
Yeah.
कईयों के बहुत अच्छे हो जाते हैं कईयों के बहुत बुरे हो
बुरे
जाते
हो
हैं सो
जाते हैं.
सम पीपल विल गेट दैट प्रेगनेंसी ग्लो एंड सम पीपल विल गेट दिस massive outbreak of acne which they've never experienced. Yeah,
Really?
yeah. And then in pregnancy, our hands are tied because
You
एक
can't,
दवाई
yeah.
we literally there's one antibiotic that we can give in pregnancy for acne तो वो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है वो it's like a 9-month long period फिर उसके आगे पे breastfeeding का period so we have to be very tactful in what we're giving.
Yeah.
Lasers हम कर नहीं सकते ज़्यादा during pregnancy so there's two sides of pregnancy for women I feel.
अच्छा, I wasn't aware of this. I thought
या
कि
ये तो
सबका ही glow
नहीं
आ
नहीं
जाता
ग्लो
है.
सबका नहीं आता
हाँ.
बाल सबके नहीं अच्छे होते जो generally the ideas but pigmentation is something that people really struggle in pregnancy.
In pregnancy?
Yeah and pigmentation हमारी स्किन में ना बड़ी अजीब किस्म की होती है पेट पे अलग सी पिगमेंटेशन आना शुरू हो जाएगी फेस पे
Yeah.
उसको मास्क ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी कहते हैं जो मिलाजमा जिससे होता है तो वो
Yes,
जो
yes.
if it starts in pregnancy it's called cloasma or mask of pregnancy. For some people it will persist, for some people it will get better. neck pigment हो जाती है लोगों की पेट के ऊपर एक लाइन आ जाती है and these are things I feel लोगों को पता ही नहीं होती हैं so वो इतनी परेशान first time pregnancy जिनकी होती है usually
Yeah.
इतनी वो परेशान आती हैं और उनको फिर इतना उनको रीअश्योर करना पड़ता है कि भाई ठीक हो जाएगा and it does get better once you've delivered and like a few months after that
Or not.
or not. That was another like
Or
face
not.
wala sometimes it just turns into like full blown melasma for
Yeah.
people. But no, so pregnancy definitely is a major landmark for your skin health, your hair health. Then I think जो perimenopause वाला, जो pre-menopause वाला जो आप
Yeah, okay, now let me stop you before we move on to
Yeah.
perimenopause and menopause, but still on pregnancy.
Mhm.
Also, there's like weird eruptions of hair growth as well, right, on the body
Yes,
during
yes,
pregnancy.
absolutely,
And I think
absolutely.
part of skincare is also epilation and
Hmm.
hair growth and उसको control करना. उसके भी कई तरीके हैं. So, does that continue through life? Is it how are you dealing with that problem these
So
days?
एक चीज basically I think laser की जो invention थी has probably been revolutionary for women in
Yeah.
terms of hair growth and stuff. One thing that happens in pregnancy is because hair cycle आपका ज़रा change हो जाता है, which is why people have a lot of thick hair on their head also in pregnancy. तो जो laser किए हुए areas होते हैं वहाँ पे भी बाल वापस आ जाते हैं. And a lot of people that's what they complain about कि oh we did फला sessions of laser and now it's all back. So that's why I tell them कि you do a couple of more sessions of laser after you've delivered and you should be okay. मतलब उसमें कोई problem नहीं होगा. But yes, there is hair growth in multiple places during pregnancy. जिसमें besides laser, whatever other method you want to choose to get rid of that hair is what you want to
Yeah.
do.
But we can say that laser is the most effective way
100%,
of
100%. We just need to be very careful with our patient selection.
Okay.
Because उसमें यही होता है कि एक certain type of hair है जो laser से काम किया गया because laser essentially was made as like a medical treatment, right? For facial hair, hirsutism जिसको कहते हैं जो hormonal problems की वजह से होता है. I'm sure you've probably seen people जिस तरह females होती हैं, but we converted that into obviously an aesthetics thing कि मतलब वो full body lasers हो रहे हैं सारी चीजें. So you just have to be very mindful of what kind of hair you're lasering on because there are different types of lasers for different types of hair.
Right.
अब हमारे जो Asian बाल है, it is thicker and darker compared to let's say the European and the white people hair. So we have different lasers for that.
Right.
So वो फिर थोड़ा सा आपको, I mean, you just have to go to somebody who really knows
Who's
what they're
reliable.
doing, who's reliable, and
Absolutely.
who has like laser knowledge.
Is there
That's
ever going to be a
important.
laser for white hair?
Probably not. There is electrolysis.
There is electrolysis,
Yeah,
of course.
yeah.
Okay, so moving on. Pregnancy is one point. Puberty, pregnancy, and then we move on to perimenopause.
Yes.
And menopause,
yes.
usually women hit that stage mid-40s, 45, earlier perhaps.
Yeah, but I think between like 45 and 50 is when this transition is happening.
Right.
Yeah.
So for me personally, because I've been going through perimenopause for the last, I think, 1 or 2 years. So breakout of melasma.
Yes.
वो होता है, and
Yeah.
that was my biggest worry that, I was getting like spots on my face. And unfortunately, then is when I started using sunblock.
That's usually what happens. जब वो कोई
That's,
मसला
yeah,
नजर आता है उसके बाद
बिल्कुल
फिर आपको
बिल्कुल
देखो let's fix it.
बिल्कुल
हाँ.
therefore for all the women out there,
Please
don't
start
use
using it
start
earlier.
using it earlier because मैंने कहा अच्छा अब मसला हो रहा है अब
अब
लगाना
लगा
शुरू कर
लेते
दो.
हैं. हाँ.
But इसका इलाज क्या है? How do you prevent that?
To be very honest, prevention. Okay, I'm glad you talked about prevention
हाँ.
because treatment तो कोई नहीं हमारे पास.
Melasma का treatment नहीं है.
मतलब if I say there's 100% treatment, that would be a completely false statement on my
Hmm.
part. Yes, we can reduce it.
Yeah.
We can help you maintain your skin, but you can't 100%. It's not like a बीमारी के 5 दिन की आपने एंटीबायोटिक खाई और खत्म हो
खत्म
गया.
हो
It's
गया.
not one of those.
Hmm.
And something like very famous हमारे अभी कोई dermatology के groups में recently कोई बात हुई थी and one doctor from I think it was from Quetta or something, he said कि मरते दम तक melasma का इलाज चलता रहेगा. I saw it. That's so true because
Yeah.
I've had people coming in जो मेरे पास पिछले 6 साल से मेरी वही consistent females हैं melasma वाली वो कम ज़्यादा like we're just like playing between कम ज़्यादा with them. I don't know if you've noticed or if you've ever spoken to anybody who's noticed this. Stress really leads to a massive flare up of melasma. So I've had women who I've treated very successfully. You know, for 6 months we've gotten the melasma under control. They're very happy. और वो कोई Jan December में कोई stressful time आया, and by stressful I mean like you know कोई family stress, financial
Yeah.
stress, etc. And they come back with like
Great.
full blown
अच्छा, for
melasma.
people who don't know, what is melasma?
Okay, so melasma का जो उर्दू word is छाइयाँ, which is
हाँ, ये तो बचपन
very
सुना है छाइयाँ पड़ गई.
छाइयाँ पड़ गई तो मतलब वो तो बड़ा ही common word है.
हाँ.
So it's essentially hyperpigmentation on the exposed area, the sun exposed area. So उसमें माथा, the nose, your cheek
Cheeks.
and the upper lip area.
Right.
So melasma would not be on your arm or your leg or your back. वो pigmentation अलग आपकी होगी. And melasma has a very very strong relation with hormones. So female hormone जो estrogen जो होता है, for example, that plays a very important role in melasma, which is why 99% melasma you'll find in females and very less in males. Males आते हैं males melasma के साथ, but that would probably be like literally 0.1% of the clinic that I do ना कि उसमें males melasma वाले आ रहे हैं. बाकी ये कि genetics, again everything rules down to genetics very strongly.
Can we change
unfortunately.
genetics?
We can't unless you go for like gene therapy and get
है
like
ना? I
something
think
changed
मुझे लगता है
inside
कि
you.
like evolution of genetics तो हो ही रही है ना.
So वो आपको पता है वो किस चीज़ के लिए हो रही है? वो हो रही है for things like really severe atopic dermatitis and like you know things जो बीमारियां हैं आपकी इस तरह की, उनके लिए gene replacement and gene therapy is now something that is in I think like वो research based है, like वो trials वाली level पे अभी है, but not something that's really come into the market.
Right.
But I don't know if they'll ever do gene therapy for melasma. I think melasma might be
I
like
think that
really
might be a
that
little
not
too
might be a
extreme.
priority for them at
I
this
think
point.
that may be a bit too
Because I
extreme.
know that they are definitely working on atopic dermatitis, which is eczema basically.
eczema
तो वो उस पे तो I know
वो तो एक
हो रहा है.
serious problem
जी जी,
है.
and unfortunately sometimes people come with really bad eczema. वो तो बड़ा ही and it really impacts your life. Like बहुत ज़्यादा
Of
life
course,
quality
of
काफी
course.
खराब होती
Of
है
course,
इससे.
absolutely. So we're moving through perimenopause, menopause. Now at this stage, somewhere in your late 40s, and
Yeah.
for a lot of people much younger, there's wrinkling begins to happen,
Yes,
and there's sagging. And मैंने बचपन से सुना, oh Asian skin हम लोग की skin sag करती है,
हाँ.
गोरों की skin wrinkle करती है.
हाँ.
तो you know,
Yeah.
ये है ये myth है या ये?
So they're two different things, to be honest. Wrinkling and sagging, मतलब wrinkle again उर्दू में झुर्रियाँ जिसको कहते हैं कि जी झुर्रियाँ पड़ गई, that is movement of muscle, which is what I try explaining to people कि हमारा जो यहाँ muscle है, हमारे face में बहुत muscles हैं, like lots of muscles, जो expressions हैं ना, आपको परेशान है तो eyebrows उठी हुई हैं, गुस्सा है तो eyebrows अंदर आपकी हैं, you're smiling so your eyes squint a little. So ये जो muscle इसके around होते हैं, उनकी activity पे wrinkling होती है सारी आपकी. Sagging is essentially downward.
Yes.
Kind of like downward progression.
Downward trend.
Downward trend of your skin. And the way to describe this would be, think of your skin like a shamiana. और आपने वो पोल्स खड़े किए हैं, विद टाइम अगर वो पोल गिरता रहेगा तो शामियाना कोलैप्स करेगा. सो दैट्स एसेंशियली व्हाट सैगिंग इज ऑफ योर स्किन. तो वो जो कोलेजन है हमारा, द फेमस कोलेजन दैट एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू ईट, ड्रिंक, मेक, अप्लाई, हर चीज कोलेजन करना चाहते हैं.
And remind me to ask you this question.
Yes, please do, because I have a lot to say on that.
Remind me to ask you about the collagen for breakfast.
Yeah, so वो जो सरिया कह लें या वो जो तंबू होता है, that is your collagen, and your skin on top is a shamiana or the building. So slowly नीचे की तरफ वो कोलैप्स करता है.
ये बड़े खौफनाक लगते हैं औरतों के लिए. छाइयाँ पड़ गई,
Yeah,
झुर्रियाँ पड़ गई. छाइयाँ और झुर्रियाँ is like major killers.
But a lot of people don't even know the differences. A lot of people don't understand कि कितना extreme measure लेना ज़रूरी है, कितना नहीं लेना ज़रूरी, और कितना पहले से आपको करना चाहिए. You know, as we spoke about it, कि आपको कितना पहले से अपनी foundation को strong करना है. So you know, non-invasive treatments like radio frequency or like minimally invasive like PRP, microneedling, all of these are things that will really help you maintain your skin till like you hit your
Yeah.
50s. वरना 50s में आके एकदम से कहना सब फिक्स कर दें, वो फिर
मुश्किल है।
और वो बहुत
Also
common
an
होता
active
है।
lifestyle, you know,
100%,
good
जी, जी।
nutrition, all of that.
Good nutrition, good amounts of sleep.
Yeah, sleep is so important.
Sleep is
Yeah,
important.
yeah,
Sunlight is very important. हमारी I
Sunlight.
think जो आवाम है ना वो बड़ी वो होती है, धूप में नहीं जाना काले हो जाएंगे।
जी।
धूप में जाएं, ज़रूरी है जाना धूप में आपके लिए, मतलब ठीक है, श्योर नॉट सेइंग लाइक 12 बजे जाके धूप में खड़े हो जाएं, सन बेदिंग करना शुरू करें, बट यू नो लाइक वो जो टाइम होता है फॉर द सन राइज एंड जो सनसेट वाला टाइम है, जिसको नरम धूप जिसको हम कहते हैं, सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट टाइम टू बी आउट, मतलब दैट्स समथिंग दैट यू
If
वांट
you're
टू
not
बी